Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. We're going to do a little rural drive, so village to village but with some countryside. It's Hawkinge to Lydden. Mostly because I had to go to the pharmacy here at Hawkinge, get some nasal spray for my persistent hay fever, which I'm wondering, is it a cold? And I need to go to Lydden because I need to talk to my garage guy and discuss replacing the brake pads at the front, because he mentioned it when we had the MOT. He said you're going to need to do that by April, and of course it's now May. I wonder if it's June by the time I get this video out. I've got so many backlogged. Hey ho, it's good to have that, isn't it? So it's about watching my speed, it's about watching out for hazards, farm vehicles, especially on the country lanes. Unlike my test drive routes, I don't have anybody instructing me to take the next left and all that kind of thing. But I know the way, we're quite safe. So it's a priority to over oncoming vehicles. They're stopping, entering a 40 zone. I'm going all the way around, so we get the indicators on. Nothing to my right. Indicate off. They closed this the other day. I was coming down here and this road was closed. There'd been an accident somewhere up here. And this is like my route out of where I live. I never see accidents, so to see the road actually closed, it's quite scary. So we're in a 40 zone, hidden dip. You kind of feel, I want to go faster and faster, but I'm already doing 40, and it is a 40 zone. So the exclamation mark says pedestrians crossing. There's no actual zebra crossing here, but there's no pavement either, so it's kind of really awkward for the... Oh, there's the pavement. Just have to watch out for that kind of thing. I see the national speed limit, but I'm not increasing my speed till I hit the sign. Now I can hit the speed. So we can get up to 60 now, national speed limit. And we're driving with the sun behind us, so it's great. It gives us a lovely clear road. I like it. You know, clear in terms of, this GoPro's probably got the sun glaring on it, hasn't it? Can I do that? No, that doesn't do anything. You're just going to have to live with it. Cars are slowing down, probably turning into the garden centre. I want to go right at the crossroads here, so you know, it's okay to slow down. All the Union flags flying in preparation for the coronation. Right, got to wait for a convenient gap. I can go after the second white car, I think. The black car's far enough away. So I'm guessing this is still national speed limit, but we've got all these little houses here. They're could be cars coming out. There's a junction there. But of course all these country lanes are all national speed limit, aren't they? Unless otherwise indicated. So we've got a truck with its hazards on, probably delivering to the industrial unit there, but it's on a blind bend. So I'm not going to just pull out and go for it. I'm going to slow down to make sure I can see the road is clear. Because you can bet someone else would be coming the other way. Wow, look at the rapeseed. What a glorious colour. It looks like the Ukraine flag. Blue sky, yellow. Great for photography. I wanted to get my camera out here, stand in the middle of the rapeseed. That won't do my hay fever any good at all. This is the first year that it's really, really hit me. Last couple of years I've had kind of the irritation, but this year I just went and got some nasal spray. Hopefully it'll kick in shortly. Blind bend. Tracker. Well and truly in farmland now. So, you know, the thing I'm looking out for is agricultural traffic. And narrow lanes. Bends in the road. Car in the middle of the road. The mind boggles people. Some people drive with their blinkers on, you know. It's them in their world with their car. And so because they're not planning, they're not looking ahead, they get a shock when they encounter something. And I've seen it time and time again where someone's driving and they'll suddenly go, you know, and kind of steer out of the way. But if you're already thinking it, like up ahead, it's a blind bend, there could be something obstructing. So I'm preparing myself to have to stop. And now that one's out of the way, it's the next one. You watch, I'll do this whole road and there won't be anything coming. Dispels the myth. Hey Jude, you could have done 60 all the way. Currently doing 38 miles an hour. More blind bends. What makes it particularly difficult is that the hedgerow is so high, where there are kind of long stretches and gaps, I can't see ahead. So, yeah, everything is the here and now on a road like this. Can't plan ahead, just have to anticipate. The road's become two-way again, which is nice with the dividing line. There's the one big van that I could have met on the narrow road with all the hedges. Lovely hilly countryside around here. 200 yards. Let the boy racer behind me know what my intentions are. Tearing up. Clear left, clear right. And we arrive at Lydden, opposite the Lydden Bell. They've got all their bunting out as well, ready for the big celebrations. Here's the garage, so I'll pull in. Not sure if he's open because he said he's going part-time, and I did try and ring this morning but there was no answer. Never mind. Thanks for watching. That was Hawkinge to Lydden. I couldn't remember where I've gone. It wouldn't do, would it, to lose your memory while you're driving? Why am I in this car? Drop me a comment, hit the like. Why not subscribe and join the Drive with Care tribe? Let it become a mantra. Bye for now. Drive with care.